So when you right click a palette, the names that appear beneath the items are called short names. In this video, we will see how we can change these names to our own specified names. To change the short palette names, go to Tools menu, then Advanced, and then choose Edit Palette Set and wait for the dialog box to appear. When the Edit Controls and Functions Palette Set dialog box appears, go to either the Functions palette or the Controls palette where you want to change the short name. For this video, I will go to the Functions palette, then User Libraries, and this sub palette I will change the name by right clicking it and then choosing Edit Short Name, and I will change its name to, let's say, since it's empty, let's call it empty sub palette. The name has changed. Now let's commit the changes by going to the Edit Controls and Functions palette set and then clicking Save Changes. The Preview Palette Changes dialog box appears. Click Continue. The settings are now saved. Let's go and check. Go to the block diagram. Since we changed the Functions palette, right click it, scroll down, go to User Libraries, and there is our previously called example subpalette, and now we are calling it empty subpalette. So this is how you can change the short palette names. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching, and please keep visiting.